Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you ProQual Level 2 Diploma in Installing Fire-Resisting Timber Doorsets. The ProQual Level 2 Diploma in Installing Fire-Resisting Timber Doorsets provides a nationally recognized industry-specific qualification which demonstrates competence in fitting a fire-resisting doorset to meet current fire regulations for fire doors. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk.